ज्यादा भी है कम भी है, खुशियाँ भी है गम भी है, तेज थोड़ा बदम भी है, ढीले है थोड़े बदम भी है, तूना भी है गम भी है, और यार पे जुदा देखो इंडिया। नमस्ते 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 We're prepared in reality. We will go for devotion, redemption. We want to be fun.
यहाँ रंग है जज्बा, कहीं रात में दिन है, कहीं दिन में रात, यहाँ भरम है बाबा, कहीं रात में चीज है, कहीं जी
Namaste, 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 India. Namaste, 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 India. Whoa, 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 whoa.
At this proud and joyful moment, we respectfully invite our esteemed speaker, Reverend Bishop Emitter Ma Joseph Kunna, Honorable Sister Karna, the Superior of the Convent, and our beloved Principal, Sister Sarupya, to kindly join with our talented dancers. May I now request our students, Vaishnavi, Simra, and Meenakshi, to escort them. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Republic Day, as a symbol of unity, freedom, and national pride. On this auspicious moment, we request you to grace this occasion colorful by releasing the tricolor balloons into the sky on countdown. Dear students, let's together start the countdown. Are you ready? Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. May not achieve this to the tricolor of India. Tricolor, it's symbolizing the unity and spirit of our nation. Thank you, dear Bishop and sisters, for joining with us.